Hey there, fellow gamer! Tired of that frustrating connecting to online services snag in Warzone Mobile? No worries, I've got your back. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through some easy fixes specifically for your iPhone. Let's jump straight into it without any delay. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, open any browser you prefer. Now, go ahead and visit any website to see if it loads up smoothly. If not, try toggling on airplane mode for a few seconds, then switch it off. After that, see if the error vanishes. You can also experiment by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that does the trick. Solution 2. Time to bring in the VPN. Here is where a VPN can come to your rescue. I recommend trying out the 1.1.1.1 Faster Internet VPN. It's free and supported by Cloudflare. Of course, you can explore other VPN apps if you like. Simply connect to the VPN server and see if the issue disappears. Solution 3. Offload Warzone Mobile. Head over to your iPhone Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then hit iPhone Storage. Keep scrolling until you spot COD Warzone, then tap on it. Next, hit the Offload App button. Tap Offload App again and it's offloaded. Now, just tap Reinstall App and let Warzone do its thing. Once it's done, check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Reset your network settings. Open up the Settings app once more. Scroll down and find General, then tap on it. Now scroll a bit and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Hit Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Finally, tap Reset Network Settings again. Your network settings will be back to default. Now, the issue should be history. And that's a wrap on fixing Warzone Mobile's pesky connecting to online services hiccup on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you pronto. Thanks a bunch for tuning in.